Hey, I'm Tessa, and this is Muffin, and we're gonna show you how to get this gallery wall using your phone. Okay, so on the Framebridge site, you can see all these new gallery walls. They're awesome. I went with this one, the half wall grid, and you can see it's in gold and like black and gold. So I'm gonna do gold and then customize to add my photos. So the hardest part of this really is choosing the photos that you're gonna put in there, especially because you have to limit it to 9. And if you're like me, then you have 18,899 photos on your phone. I actually edit most of the photos that I post. If you use a photo editing app, you can sort of start with the album that's actually in your iPhone from that app, and those are probably your favorite photos anyway. I first narrowed down to 97 of my favorite photos. You can see they're kind of a mix of stuff. And then I looked at some of my favorite ones, like this is a good example. I love this one. It's from an art gallery in DC, the Renwick, and it's like a cool picture of the ceiling with this like LED chandelier. But I realized that a lot of the ones that I liked the most were pictures of ceilings from trips that I'd taken, and they sort of had this like warm color. So then I went through and found other ones that sort of fit that color profile and that looked good together. And so I ended up making a refined 9 grid album for the half wall grid. And I wanted to try all of these in here. I'm just gonna select almost all of them and then upload them here, and they go into my tray. Okay, so you can see for each of these that it's an 18 by 18 frame, but there's a 7 by 5 photo, horizontal photo in each one. So there's a big mat that's oversized. It looks awesome. So make sure that you center them the way that you like. So here's the whole thing. Cool, so just add it to the cart. You can see if you click on details, like the details of the frames that are in there, and that it's coming with a hanging hardware kit, which is important. This gallery wall has 9 frames, and it's shipped to you in 3 boxes. In one of the boxes, you'll get this hanging kit, which has hanging hardware, a template for your wall, and instructions. So all you need are a hammer, level, and tape. So you don't need anybody else to hang this. You can definitely do it by yourself, and I'm going to, but you know, there may be others who really want to help you. This is the hanging guide. It's huge. So I put a little piece of tape in the middle. So now that I have this middle piece centered, I'm just gonna check, there's this line here. It says the level line, so you know. And you actually line up your level with it. You can see I'm a little down on this side, so I'm gonna just adjust until I get it exactly straight. Okay, and then I put another piece of tape here, and I'm gonna put another one on this side too. And then as you go, just make sure that you're leveling and smoothing out the paper on the wall. Okay, so I think this looks really good, but I'm gonna stand back and just make sure, because I feel like you can't ever quite tell until you're far back. Oh my God, it's really big. It's gonna be awesome. So we send you the hardware that you need to hang it, and for this one, it's these little gold nails. I love gold nails. This part is so fun and so easy. You just put them right on the X, all the X's in each spot, and hammer them in. Once you've got all your nails in, you can tear it down, and you can do it either in like one big motion, or you can kind of tear around each of the nails. So now you just hang them. You can see the back of these frames each have sawtooth hangers like this, a sawtooth hanger, and just hang them up. For this one, they're all the same size. So you just put them up in whatever order you want, and then move them around until you like it. All right, so just make sure everything's level, and you can actually use your level, but also use your eyeballs. And a little secret for me, because we live in an old row house, and these are like sort of wavy old plaster walls, is I actually put a little piece of painter's tape on the back corner of any of the frames that are giving me trouble if the wall's like kind of like this underneath. So yeah, I feel pretty good about it. What do you think, Muffin? muffin. You like it? She loves it.